bailiff searched her, yes?
Yes, I did.
However, she was able to keep something inside of her fists the whole time, which allowed her to do this escape. You're willing to show us now? Your Honor, what do we think about that lighter sentencing?
What remains to be seen. I'd like to see what's inside your hands.
All right. Let's see how you did it. An ordinary hair clip. With this slid into the gears, into the teeth of the lock, she's able to block them off from the gears and pull through. This is basically worthless if she's out of the cuffs. Flat iron, plexi, blue box, worthless if she can open.